Okay, so I installed the battery. It's blinking. I put in position on. Yes, right, on. Yeah, so on position. Recently I broke the vase, so I have pieces of glass, and I have it's a kitchen hammer. I just want to try. I'm afraid it will be loud. Yes, it's working. It's working. Okay, it's working. Yeah, it was very loud. Cool. But I have to try now. Not that sensitive, right? Okay, so I put it back. I switch on less sensitive, right? Working. Okay, it's working. It's very loud. Okay. Looks like good product.
Okay, this is how loud these things are. I don't have it on the window, obviously, but listen. It'll go if I tap it just the right way. All right, let's try this another way. That's loud. On my window. Okay, so they're perfect. Here they are, right there. That's the glass breaker. It's blinking because it's working, and it fits right on the glass. Let me see. Yep, they work. Oh. So I hit the glass, and they work. So that's the demonstration.